कसौल एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा हिमाचल में विलेज है जो रिवर पार्वती के किनारे पे बना हुआ है, मतलब स्थित है, सिचुएटेड है। और इसको कॉमनली बोला जाता है एम्स्टर्डम ऑफ इंडिया। कसौल जो है वो टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत फेमस है बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स नेचुरल ब्यूटी एंड माउंटेन्स, ग्रीनरी, खीर गंगा ट्रैक और बहुत सारी चीज़ें। It is located between, nearly 30 kilometers from Buntar and 3.5 kilometers from Manikaran. So Kasol is basically a hot spot for the backpackers and who are very much interested in Himalayan, places to visit. And it is basically famous for the base nearby tracks like Malana and Khir Ganga. It is also very famous because lot of Israeli tourists are there, and there are high percentage of Israeli people there, so it is also called as mini Israel of India. So coming to how to reach Kasol, so there are different transport options available to reach Kasol. So one has to reach Buntar, which is one of the place in nearby Kasol, and there you have the option of the bus services. Like either you can take bus, which is available between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. However, there is local taxi services also available, which is available nearly all the time. So Buntar also has a nearest Kullu Manali airport, but Buntar doesn't have direct flight or rail connectivity, so we have to go by bus or by local taxi. That is all about how to reach Kasol. It's Tosh. So love exploring new heights and challenging yourself, then you would already be having the Tosh track in your checklist. Situated at a height of 2400 feet, it is near the en route the Pin Parvati Pass. The place lets the dauntless in you explore the surrounding and pave your own way from Kasol to Tosh and back. This is magnificent and you must go and see it. It's beautiful land heading your way, and enjoy the light-filled sky from your camp. Tosh recently has become a hub where people from east and the west comes to find a connection with the nature, of course. हम लोग तोश विलेज में हैं और ये वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट प्लेसेस है हियर. इट इज पिंक फ्लॉयड रेस्टोरेंट जो वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट हाइट पर है, एंड द व्यू इज वेरी नाइस. The panoramic view of the village, which still holds its culture and beauty, is a much admired and dwelled in the tourist place. So I am talking about Chalal, a spirited village. Relish the color-changing sky from the cafes and the scrumptious food catered with love and with a tinge of Indian and Israeli spices mixed in the cafes. Chalal is also known for the parties that are organized throughout the year. Dance till the last beat in these parties held where DJs from all over the world come together, curating music which blows your mind off. It certainly does. So let's talk about the most important, place where I have visited Kasol is Khir Ganga. So what I can say about Khir Ganga, it is so beautiful. It is a small village in the lap of Parvati Valley. The village is the best known for its trekking trips, where that feeling of accomplishment is way above the exhausting nature of the trek. The trek starts from the base camp of Tosh. Even I was in love with this village, Tosh. I have desired to go there again and again. From where it is 13 kilometers one way, which takes up to 6 to 7 hours. Far away from the cage of modern life, people here rejoice the beauty the land offers. You must have heard of the hot springs with medicinal properties, right? Well, it's here in Khir Ganga, where just a dip can not only rejuvenate your senses, but reveal you from the pain as said and believed by the people around. So after so exhausting trek of Khir Ganga, you must take one dip in that hot spring, and it really heals the lactic acid formation we have while we are doing the trek and walking on the high altitude mountains. और अब हम खीर गंगा के बहुत करीब हैं, लाइक हाफ एन आवर ओनली journey is there, so we are just about to reach Khir Ganga. A beautiful sight. तो एट लास्ट हम पहुंच गए खीर गंगा। कितना ब्यूटीफुल व्यू है, इट कैन नॉट बी स्पोकन इन वर्ड्स। एवरीवन हु इज वाचिंग दिस मस्ट कम हियर वंस एट लीस्ट टू सी दिस प्लेस। यहाँ वेदर बहुत अच्छा हो गया है, बारिश का मौसम और इतनी ठंडी हवा चल रही है। इट्स वेरी नाइस। आई कैन से दैट एवरीबडी हु इज सीइंग दिस मस्ट ट्राई दिस ट्रैक। इट्स वेरी 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 नाइस एंड एडवेंचरस।